Bluetooth hands-free link lets drivers easily make and receive phone calls without taking their hands from the wheel or their eyes from the road. If your vehicle has the LCD audio display like this, here's how to make calls. After you've paired your phone, the Phonebook has been automatically imported. When the vehicle is not moving, you can make a call from the Phonebook. Press the Phone button, rotate the selector knob to Phonebook, and press in. Rotate the selector knob to highlight the initial of the name you want to call and press. Select the desired name and press. Select the desired number for that name and press the knob. Dialing will start automatically. You can also dial a number when the vehicle is not moving. Press the Phone button, turn the selector knob to dial and press in. Then rotate the dial to select each digit of the number and press in. When the entire number has been entered, select the pickup icon and press. Dialing will start automatically. If you want to make calls while the vehicle is moving, you can add up to 20 Phonebook entries per phone to the speed dial list. Plus, you can assign a voice tag to each speed dial entry to simplify calling even more. Here's how it's done. Press the Phone button and rotate the selector knob to select Speed Dial and press in. Select Add New and press. Then choose Phonebook and press in. Select a number from the Phonebook and follow the prompts to store it. Once stored, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to store a voice tag for the entry. Select Yes. Now, follow the prompts and use the talk button on the steering wheel to store the voice tag for that entry. Note that the longer the voice tag, the easier it is for the system to recognize it. So instead of just saying Joe, for example, say Joe Wilson. Now, while the vehicle is moving, you can call Joe by just pushing the talk button on the steering wheel and saying, "Call Joe Wilson." When a call comes in on your paired phone, the incoming call screen will appear on the display. If the caller's phone is in your Phonebook, you'll see the caller's name. To accept the call, press the pickup button on the steering wheel. If you want to decline the call or hang up after accepting it, press the hang up button.